Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
I will show you how to remove Smart Lock from your Gmail account step by step. First, gather your Google account password and complete any two-step verification prompts when asked. This process affects Android devices, iOS devices, and Chrome browser sign-ins syncing across devices. Understand that disabling Smart Lock stops new password saves and automatic sign-ins going forward. It does not automatically delete existing saved passwords in your Google Password Manager elsewhere. If you want those removed, prepare to delete them separately at Passwords. Google.com. On Android Open Settings, tap Google, then tap Smart Lock to manage passwords. Tap Passwords and toggle off Save Passwords and Auto Sign-In to disable Smart Lock features. On iOS, open the Google app or Chrome app, go to Settings, then Passwords, and disable Smart Lock toggles there. The system will likely ask you to enter your account password or approve a two-step verification code. After disabling Smart Lock, you can remove saved passwords separately at Passwords. Google.com in your browser. To fully remove credentials, go to Passwords. Google.com and sign into your Google account. Find each saved entry, click the three dots and choose Delete to remove that credential permanently. In Chrome, open Settings, then Autofill, then Passwords and clear any local saved sign-ins and disable Offer to Save Passwords. Finally, visit My Account. Google.com/security, scroll to your devices and sign out any devices you no longer use. Changing your account password after signing out forces re-authentication on all devices.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.